This video is a user guide for our tool seed phrase converter for your crypto wallet. Okay, let's open first. Here is the view of our tool seed phrase converter. This converter will converting your 12 seed phrases into one or single address. We call it seed phrase address or SPA. Here is a license key to enter. Here is hint, and here is menus. Consists of two menus, coded and decoded. Let's try to click this coded. Okay, when we click coded, so the 12 seed phrase to enter will show up here. When we complete enter the 12 seed phrase here, then one or single seed phrase address will also show up here. Okay, let's try to input our seed phrase address here. Oh, but don't forget to enter your hint here. This hint will be used as a password for your single seed phrase address. Let's say we have a hint testing 1 2 3. Okay, when we already input our hint here as a password, let's input our license key first. 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is testing. Okay, now we start to enter our seed phrase address. Seed phrase, okay, below here. Let's say, for example, our first seed phrase is house. The second is apple. Okay, next angle, lemon. Okay, and the last, the 12 is pencil. Okay, when we complete input our 12 seed phrase, and then the one or single seed phrase address will be show up here. You can see this seed phrase address already show up here with unique, its character, it's unique here, already show up here. Okay, then we can copy this seed phrase address and you can store it into your external hard disk, external hard drive, USB drive, or in your Google Drive. You can store this seed phrase address into your Google Drive. I try to save it here first. I paste here. Okay, then it's done. And whenever you want to get or you want to have your this 12 seed phrase address, you just need to input this one seed, this single seed phrase address, and then this 12 will be show up. How to do that? We can go to this menu, decoded. Okay, this menu, decoded, we just need to enter the seed phrase address here, and when you enter the seed phrase address here, then the seed phrase will show up here. Okay, I will go to the seed phrase address. copy and then paste here. Okay, you see when you enter the seed phrase address here, and then the 12 seed phrase will be show up here. What about we lose one character, or we delete one character of our single seed phrase address? For example, we delete this 7, okay, and then enter. Okay, so you see when even one character delete, then the 12 seed phrases cannot be shown up. So this single seed phrase error, it's very unique. One character lose, and then it cannot show your 12 seed phrase. Or for not only one character lose, if you add one character here, I will add here a character S. Okay, I add S here, and then or maybe I add W here, and then enter. Okay, it is same. When you add even only one character, the seed phrase address changes, then the seed phrase, the 12 seed phrase cannot be show up here. So be careful with your seed phrase address. Do not change your seed phrase address. Just copy the seed phrase address and do not even change the seed phrase address, because when it changes, then your 12 seed phrase will be gone. It cannot show. Okay, so okay, this is our 12 seed phrase. What about if one of our seed phrase we change it? For example, this house, I add one character S. So when I add here, then the single seed phrase address will be changes also. So you see, even in your seed phrase, if it changes even only one character, the single seed phrase address already will be total, all will be changed. You see, the previous seed phrase address different with this one because already changes here. Okay, I will turn it back. Okay, so this is our tool to convert the 12 seed phrase into one or single seed phrase address. Okay, this tool will be used for you to store your 12 seed phrase into one unique code of single seed phrase address. So even if you store this single seed phrase address into your Google Drive, when someone hack your Google Drive and when they get your single seed phrase address, they cannot have your 12 seed phrase because they only have this single seed phrase with character unique. They should know your hint here. If they know your hint, so they can get your 12 seed phrase. Let me show you let's try. Okay, we go to decode it. As we know, we have our seed phrase address here like this. Then what if I delete this hint? So our hint, we make it empty here, and then we copy our seed phrase address and paste here. Okay, even when someone get your seed phrase address but they don't know your hint, so they cannot show up your 12 seed phrase here. So this hint is very useful to protect your seed phrase address. If someone have your seed phrase address and they know your hint, so they can get your 12 seed phrase. Okay, I will enter the hint here. Previously our hint is testing 1 2 3. Okay, when I enter the hint here, then the 12 seed phrase will be shown up. So this hint is very will be used as a secret password for you. Okay, if so, when someone get your seed phrase address, single seed phrase address, but if they don't know your hint, so they cannot show up your 12 seed phrase. So this hint is very useful for you, and only you control your seed phrase address with your hint. Let's say we enter hint try, yeah, it cannot show the seed phrase address. But when we enter the right hint, testing 1 2 3, and the seed phrase, the 12 seed phrase will be shown up. Okay, so this hint is a must to enter, and only you who knows your hint as a password to protect your seed phrase address. Okay, so if you interest with this tool, you can get it through my link. I will give the link in this YouTube. You can go into the link and you can buy there. Okay, I think you have see the user guide how to use this tool, this software. Oh, I forgot one thing. Here also I provide one protection for this software. You can put or you can enter here SN. When you enter SN here, then a new area of protection will be shown up. SN means serial number. So this serial number means as another layer protection for your seed phrase here. How it works? So everybody can have this tool or this software of Excel. So everybody can have the same Excel with you, have same tool, this one tool, but the difference is this serial number will be used as a unique or individual software or Excel for you. So everybody can have the same software, the same Excel, but you have your own serial number here. So if you enter the serial number here, so this software will be only can use by you. Someone else also can input their own serial number here. So if we input serial number, for example, 123 748, testing, for example, I put production, that's 123748, and I enter. So when you enter a serial number here, then the new single seed press address will be changed also. So the previous seed press address cannot use here. Okay, I'll delete this one. We go back to code it. Okay, you see with the same hint and the same seed presses, but if we add a serial number here, so then the seed press will be changed again. Previously the seed press is this one, but when we add a serial number here, then this seed press, the previous seed press, will be changed into this one. Okay, so for example, so we have now a new seed press address for our 12 seed press. It changes. Okay, I will copy here our new seed presses address. Sorry. Okay. Why this is changes? Because we have we enter a serial number for this software. So even if someone have your, now we go to decode it. Okay, now we already have a new seed press address, this one. Let's say someone get this seed press address. This serial number also I will paste also here first. Okay, I delete this serial number and also this hint I delete. Okay, now if someone have your, or someone get your single seed press address, then he enter here, the 12 seed press cannot be show up. Also, if they know your hint, they enter here testing 1 2 3, also it cannot show up. Why? Because the serial number is empty. But when you enter the serial number, you enter here, then the 12 seed press will be show up, because the seed press address, the testing, and the right serial number all has been entered, and the 12 seed press will be show up. So it means everybody can have the same Excel, but everybody also can make their own serial number for this Excel. So if this one Excel can have various serial number, it depends on your own serial number you can enter here. So if I delete the serial number, the seed prices cannot be shown. Okay, so this tool or this software, I think it's a good for you to keep your seed, this 12 seed price, because if you store or you save this seed prices into your Google Drive, external hard drive, and someone get it, so they can directly have your 12 seed price. But if you convert this 12 seed price into this one single seed price, so when someone get your single seed price address, they cannot they have to hack this seed price address, but without entry hand they cannot show up the 12 seed prices. Also, if you add serial number here, they also cannot, there will be more difficult to get your 12 seed prices. Okay, I think this user guide is enough for you to use later. I will share the link if you interest with this tool or this software. I will show you, I will share the link in this YouTube, and you can go to the link, and you can have this tool, this software. You can buy from the through the link. You can buy there. Okay. Also, I want, if you interest with this software, when you already have it, don't forget to make it multiply this software. It means you can save the software in hard drive, in Google Drive, in your email. So when you in your computer, so if you if the software delete in your computer, so you can get it back from your hard drive or your Google Drive or your in email, so you can get the software again. Okay, I think this user guide will be useful for you when you have the software, and when you need further guide, you can also contact me through my email. I will show up in this YouTube. Okay, thank you.